Do you want to change your display name on the Dreame app? In this video, I will show you how to update your profile name on Dreame step by step so you can personalize your account and make it easier for others to find you. Updating your profile name is perfect for keeping your account fresh or matching your online identity across platforms. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Dreame app. In this first page here, you will find this sign of me or profile, so you will tap on profile here, you will click. Then here in this page, you will find this window of profile, so you will tap. And then you will find here nicknames, so you will click and you will change it like this. So you can change this in any name you want, and then we click on save. After that, it will be saved in that way and it will show to you here like this. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.